Hello everyone, hope you are doing really well. In this video you will see how you can create a quiz using hot potatoes. First of all, you click on JQuiz and you will see this page including title, number of questions, STEM, answers, feedback and setting, which are the different parts related to the format multiple choice. You may want to select the other test formats, but let's begin with multiple choice. If I want to add a title, it can be parts of speech, different part of speech of a question. Let me go to one of my tests. I can copy, or you can also type, simply type the answer, the STEM. Okay, question number 1. If you want to, in any profession, you need to work hard. Let's take a look at distractors: success, successful, succeed, successfully. Okay, let's type them. Okay, let's see which one is the correct answer. If you want to succeed. In fact, I shouldn't capitalize the words because they come in the middle of the sentence. Let's correct it. Okay, the correct answer is succeed. Now, if you want to provide students with feedback, for example, you can say correct, well done, or try again. You can also here provide students with some grammatical points if you want this feedback to follow instructional goals. Okay, and let's go to the next question. We should first of all we should we should save it. We can go to different configuration part, change the title instead of quiz, for example, change it to multiple choice item, change it the name of it instead of quiz, change the name, and also for instruction, choose the correct answer. You may want to add any other instruction. Prompts and feedback. Questions answered correctly first time, you can provide them with such emoticons for feedback. Incorrect answer with this, correct. And you can make some changes for prompts and feedback. You can also change the name of the buttons instead of OK to anything else. These arrows show the next and previous parts. I'm not going to change them, but depending on your use and depending on the language you're using, you may want to make some changes. Regarding appearances, you see the appearance on hot potatoes is not that much colorful. In fact, I have made these changes. This was between white, gray and black. I want here to change the color. You may want to use HTML codes or this button, navigation bar color purple. This from black turn to purple. Page background color can be light yellow. depending on the age of the participants and students, you may want to make some changes. Which part was it? Title color. The color of title can be green. Exercise background. Now you see the differences. You can make all these changes and press the OK. And then save it. We can save it on our browser, on our computer, or we can save it on our computer in the HTML format, which can be used and shared on different websites easily. Okay, I have selected the place, and I should choose the file name, multiple, or let's call it parts of speech. The software does not simply allow us spaces and figures in the title. It says this may cause trouble if you upload it on certain servers. Do you wish to continue? No, I would in fact prefer to omit spaces. Okay, now I have saved it. It asks you whether you want to preview it. Yes. See? You can see it here on the website, on the browser, sorry. And also let's go to our, yes, here in our folders. You see that I have already saved 2 hot potato files. This one is the recent one. Let's open it here. If you want to succeed, yes, correct, well done. Look, you could change this icon in configuration part. Now that you see the preface, you see that you could even change the text, these words index, these signs, the color of them to be seen more easily. Now you want to upload it on your website. I am using Moodle. Let's go to my course. This is the quiz I'm using, and I want to upload it as an activity to be available for my potential students. Okay. Here I want to show you the video tutorial, and now here the following link leads you to the quiz I made. I go to activities. Among the activities I have got hot potatoes. I add it. The first thing that it asks is to select specific texts. I select this one, specific text, parts of speech. And then you should upload a file. Let's go to the file, part of speech, and see what happens. Good. Save it. You can also make some changes in the setting of this activity, but I'm just trying to show you how you see it. Okay. This is the part of speech, and I should edit what I have written here, because I've written I will add it here, and now I've added, so there's no need to have this line. Now let's see that if you are using Moodle or any other similar LMS, learning management system, how a student can view this activity. Your students come here, they face this test, the quiz, they click on it, and and enter the page. Of course, the colors that we added are not seen here, no problem. Okay, now they want to just answer the question, and then you can add more items as well, but here we have just this item as a kind of test. As a random answer, you see, try again. This was the feedback that you created. You could add here, okay, success is a noun. Here you've got this sentence, and here you need a verb. Successful. Again, try again. Succeed. Yes, correct. Well done. Oops. After you finished it, it came out of it. And also you could give timing to it. Good. And I have already prepared some other sections. We will see how to use cross, JClose to create closed passage, matching, and other types of tests using hot potatoes. I hope you have found this video tutorial useful. I'm waiting for your own quizzes. Please write your own, make your own quizzes and upload it here in the forum for your practice. Show how you made it in a video tutorial and then upload this one as a link, as uploading a link. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.